The T3 Lucea ID flat iron is very versatile, so you can actually achieve a lot of different looks. I'm going to show you 3 that I love to do, so let's get into it. So the first technique I like to do is the S-wave technique. So what I do is start by inserting the hair into the iron and then just really undulating my hand position to create that S shape. And you can make it pronounced as you want or as loose as you want, depending on what kind of wave pattern you're looking for. This is what the wave looks like. You can see it has like a very soft S shape to it. You can also achieve a flat iron bend technique. I like to smooth out the base up top and then bevel it inward. And then I let go, and then I bevel it outward. And really take your time. You don't want to go too quick, because by going too quick, you can often create crimps, or you won't get as pronounced of a bend. And really exaggerate your bends for a more bouncy wave appearance. For the last technique, I'm going to do the pull down curl method using the T3 Lucea flat iron. So as you can see, when you roll the flat iron downward and create that spiral with the flat iron, it creates a really bouncy curl effect. So you can really use the beveled edges to your advantage to create any of these looks without creating a harsh crease that often happens with other flat irons.